How to log out from the Clapper app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to log out from the Clapper app. Whether you are switching device or just need to log out for the security reason, I'll show you how you can do it. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, start by opening the Clapper app on your phone. And once you have opened the app, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And from the profile section, simply tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And from here, simply scroll down to the bottom and tap on the logout option. And the confirmation will pop up. From there, simply again tap on the logout. And by doing that, you will be logged out of your Clapper account. And the app will take you back to the login page. And that's all there is to it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.